Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 28th and the 29th of June. Gemini, we're out of the season, okay? We're in Cancer season, Gemini, so it means you should do more of this and less of this, okay? Anyways, Gemini, let's go ahead and go into your channel cards. Gemini, your channel message is the 7 of Cups, Cancer, and Chaser. She a runner, she a track star. She gonna run away when it gets hard. Or you might run away when it gets hard, Gemini. Now, Gemini is the twins in the triplets, I believe, like the Ford brothers. But in this depiction, the Gemini card is attached to one girl with 2 heads. And we have Cancer. So I don't know if this is something about your dating sisters. You date the first sister and you're moving on to the second sister, or something about sisters competing for this guy's attention. If it's not sisters, I'm getting best friend. Do you suffer from a jealous best friend bitch? Where every time she sees you with a man, that bitch is so quick to open her legs or to be attentive to the man that you're dating. Maybe you have a friend, I'm getting you respect the girl code, you respect the bro code, which is you don't hit on the date or you don't hit on the girlfriend of your friend. But me getting a Cancer here, as long as you have a man, the man could have don't look good, he or her, they're gonna try to intercept it. So I'm getting somebody very, very promiscuous. They have a very promiscuous nature. Because I'm getting somebody will sleep with somebody just for gratification or for make somebody jealous. That's promiscuous. You're talking promiscuous is a girl who just a fuck. So whether she fucking for things or not, a promiscuous girl, she will lay down with a man for make her man jealous. That's promiscuous. There's other ways to make a man jealous. You could have not called him. You never had to put a body on you. That's you talk about whores, you talk about prostitutes promiscuous. They have a so-called baseline for meat. You have to be paying them money. So at least you have to be at least some type of successful icon in your own life in order to approach a prostitute to pay them. You have girl who have, because them best friend just hurt them feelings. And you just fuck a man like that. Your boyfriend says something to you, you never like, you're gone out of because your boyfriend says something to you, you never like. That's promiscuous behavior. So I'm getting this girl, she's very promiscuous. Maybe you know it, maybe you're friends with her. Yeah, you can't do that. Me used to be friends with people no matter what their background was, because me it's like it's a personality that matter. Yeah, and the lifestyle. Because when people have things for lose and you don't have nothing for lose, they will drag you down with them. So I'm getting something about you and this girl who's interested in the same guy, or this guy who you are date. I don't know if it's your friend or your sister, I chase the guy. Now, even when girls are having catty attitudes when it comes on to who's supposed to look better or who is better for a guy, in that case, I'm assuming it will be the guy's responsibility to kind of say no to the one him not dealing with and say yes to the one he is dealing with. But me getting, if you're attached to this girl, then the man now gonna tell you, maybe a man is telling you that, you know, your friend is coming on to me. I don't know if you believe him. I don't know if you go back to your friend or confront her and she's saying, no, I wasn't flirting with him. You're so insecure. I don't know what it is. But I'm getting this Cancer. She's very tricky. It's a tricky bitch. Very tricky. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're getting one black hair girl and a red hair girl. We're getting one of the hair them black, one of the hair them red. Or is this something about a twin? Somebody have a twin and you don't know this. You sleep with a twin. Let's go, Gemini. First card out is a star card. So I'm getting you dealing with an Aquarius, Gemini, or you're dealing with a celebrity. So I'm getting this is the girl you like. You like she's very attractive. Her tits are very scintillating, and this is the girl who you like. So maybe you have a star and a star best friend. You have the star and the star friend, but me getting the friend, me getting everybody who the star is with, the friend try to sabotage her and to be with the same guy she like. Cause me getting the star don't have time, but the friend does. The devil, yeah. Or something about your friend and this man are set you up. Me getting this girl and this guy will set you up. Maybe this is something about humiliation. You're supposed to be with this guy. You want big celebrity, and you're gonna deal with this man. And the man going to be fucking your best friend underneath the quiet. And it's going to be a huge, big shit. Like what happened to Kylie Jenner and Jordan Woods. When fucking dirty Tristan, must go kiss her. Kiss her. Yeah, kiss her, and then Jordan Woods, they get kicked out of basically the Kardashian clan. And then Chloe went on to have a baby with him. This is weird. But I still need to finish this reading. Yeah. Me getting that's going to be a humiliation. Me getting something about cheating. Your friend attack your man. Your man left you for his ex. Me getting that's what it is. It involves another woman. Okay? Cancer. Because me getting someone's like you have everything, but you're not going to have love. Me getting you hang around this Cancer woman, Gemini, or you're the Cancer. You're the Cancer Gemini. Because I'm getting somebody does not want, maybe somebody don't want to see you with her in a relationship. They want to see you with, is either somebody wants to see you single or they want to see you single and promiscuous. As in you're single and you will sleep with other men. But if you're in a relationship, you're not going to sleep with other men. Yeah, but if you're single, you will choose not to sleep with other men too. So I don't know what this is. I'm getting something about you being with a man and him leaving you for your sister. Him a cheat on you with your sister. Him a cheat on you with your best friend. Some type of weird ass setup for humiliate you. We have the Emperor. Are you fucking the Emperor? Because that's a big. That's like a... If this happened to you in the past, I'm getting you moving on to this man. Is somebody a music producer? Somebody's an engineer? Somebody working in the studio? I'm getting something about industries calling you. Or I'm getting someone saying I have a new artist. Somebody might work for a record label. I'm getting something about you going to be the new talent them sign, and we sign this talent. We have a 10 of Cups. I'm getting a Pisces. Or I'm getting something about this man who have a wife and kids and you're his latest talent. I'm getting him a fall in love with you. I'm getting when I haven't touched each other, when I haven't kissed each other, I'm getting, I don't know if you know. I'm getting this man, him have a family, him committed. But I'm getting something about this new artist that's him signing. Something about him a fall in love with you. He might already be with a Cancer woman. I don't know if he's talking about you to this Cancer woman. But me getting is like, me getting there's a girl around you. I don't know what this is. Is this like a doppelganger? Is this a weird thing? Me getting this girl around you. No, but I don't know if she have a friend you to study you. Because I'm getting somebody studying you so much. Them study you to a T. Them studying your language. Them studying your lingo. It's like it would be exactly you, but the face Asian. It would be exactly you, but the face Spanish. Because I'm getting somebody that study you so much. I'm getting this girl that's stalking you. The star card is clarified by the Magician. Yeah, but me getting you are the one what everybody wants. Me literally getting magic. Something is magic. It's magical. Or someone's like, you said you wanted love, right? Let me give you love. Them going to try to make you and this man be together. But me getting the man married. He's a married man. This Cancer woman that try to set you up on a man who married. Or him have a kid. Him have kids and wife already. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be seen as the homewrecker. Even though you're a celebrity. Like somebody want to make it look like, oh, I'm a celebrity. Me can't get any man I want even if I'm married. But me getting that's not what happening. Me getting some setup happening with you. Okay? We have the hangman, yeah, and the devil, but you hang by the foot. So something cannot start by you. Me guessing you were introduced to someone or you were introduced to somebody, but them know that when this introduction happen, you like get But also getting somebody's talking about like twin flame, twin flame. You're my twin flame. Let me explain something to you about twin flame. You don't have for no. You have to have sex with your twin flame to know if it's a twin flame. Ain't no fucking twin. Yeah, you know, this astrologer told me that you're my twin flame. You don't have sex yet. You fuck. No, how you know you're a twin flame? You have to fuck first. And when I feel different than anybody else you sleep with. When I think twin flames is just, oh yeah, you know, we're supposed to push each other to the limit. Yeah, let's call you monkey and call you nigger and call you a white cracker and say that your dick is smaller than a fucking Tootsie Roll. And you know, we're gonna push each other to the fucking, we're gonna push it to the limit, right? We push each other to the fucking limit and we're supposed to just come back to each other. I'm gonna fuck on you, cheat on you, call the police on you. I'm gonna call the firefighters. I'm going to tell the ambulance that you don't know your SIN number, and I'm going to make your life a fucking hell. And after 5 years, I'm going to come back to you, and we're going to be so in love because we're twin flames. No, that sounds like a very schizophrenic, bipolar relationship. How do you know if somebody's a twin flame? Yeah, it depends on how the chemistry is when I have sex. So you can't be walking telling people that this man or this woman is a twin flame and you never have sex with her before. And if you did have sex with her, did you cry? No. Did you ever feel emotional after having sex with her? Chances are she's not a twin flame and you're not hers. People don't make albums anymore. Yes, a twin flame is the one who went take a virginity. No, motherfucker. Not what a twin flame is. And not everybody meet them twin flame. The Empress clarified by the 3 of Cups, yeah. So I'm getting this, okay, so maybe this man is known to be a cheater because he has been frequenting women. 3. There's 3 women here. So I mean, if somebody has women on the side, plus they're married, I know them say you and them want to work with you. I'm not sure if somebody's wife know that, listen, I'm his wife, but when I'm in the studio or when I'm out doing what I'm doing, that's fine. That have nothing to do with me. But me getting some, if it's a record label, me getting all of these girls want to get put on. But me getting something about you being very comfortable. You're very comfortable with somebody. One more. We have the Ace of Pentacles. We have the 2 of Pentacles. We have the 3 of Cups. We have 33. So I'm getting something about distractions. Somebody need to cause you a distraction. We're getting distraction. The problem is, you don't hang around nobody. You don't hang around other women. You don't hang around friends. You don't hang around nobody. Because it's like the Emperor is here with the 3 of Cups, and the Emperor is like, okay, if we make somebody very comfortable around the 3 of Cups, we can cause a delay. Like, no, you friend these girls. I know it's like it's 3 girls and you, the 3 girls to them like you, no, the 4 of you guys are hanging out. But me getting the 3 of them is sent in for distract you, for throw you off, for criticize you, maybe for bully you out of the business. Because you remember like in Mean Girls, you had the 3 girls and then you had Lindsay Lohan and she came into the group. And then at the end she kind of dismantled the group. We're getting something like that. We're getting a lot of mean girls. Mean girls. Or we're getting somebody bullying you because they want to sleep with you, but you won't sleep with them because you know they're married or you know that they're in a relationship. And they're trying to tell you, yeah, okay, yes, I understand I'm married. I walked her down the aisle in disappointment. But, you know, you're not the only girl I'm sleeping with. So don't feel special, sweetie, okay? I know you really, really want to have that narrative on YouTube that you're not a homewrecker. Sweetie, he has other women wrecking his homes. So, you know, you're going to say, oh, I'm not going to be with this married man. I'm not going to be with a man who already committed to a woman because I don't want to be seen as a bad guy. Him have 8 other bitches that are being seen as a bad guy. This man just fought him wife. Him have money. Oh, what the things that money will make you do. And usually the more money you have is the less loyal you'll be. Allegedly. We have the Fool card. We have the devil again. We have. You better stay alone. You hear me tell you? Gemini, 33, six. You have 6 girls. Like a K-pop fucking band. 6 women here. Devil card here 2 times. So I'm getting some about women in the industry, women. I'm getting a lot of hoes, a lot of bitches. A lot of girls want this title. I'm getting a lot of girls want this title, but for some reason, the Emperor selecting you. I hear a guy say, listen, yeah, I'm looking for my 3rd wife. And she's like, your 3rd wife? No, I ain't do that. Okay, well, maybe you can make me leave the other 2 for you. And she's like, okay, I'll think about it. Bitch, you know he ain't gonna leave the other 2 for you. Ain't no nigga gonna be doing maths and be like, okay, 3 minus 2 leaves 1, I'll take the 1. I'm getting right now, your biggest lesson is to not be distracted. Not being distracted with friends, not being distracted with nobody. You see how Tyler was fucking distracted with those other girls, right? Shaking her ass, being so small and so fragile, and the whole fucking internet criticize her. We not hear nothing about Tyler again. Push a start. Hang with me, your mans, with no hesitation. Take me up, give me motivation. I need your mind. I'll take your... Tyler come out with 2 fucking music videos for the same fucking song. What the fuck happened with Tyler? I like Tyler. She was as tiny, almost, not all, maybe she's tinier than me. But I like the fact that she was tiny. What happened to her? The fucking white men on the fucking red carpet lift Tyler up to put her on the fucking stairs, and she couldn't even lift up her fucking award. She gave it to Chloe. No wonder why after Tyler gave Chloe Bailey the fucking award for Whole Fear, Chloe Bailey was seen with Burna Boy in Lagos. Did we figure out what's happening in Lagos? What is happening in the city of Lagos? It is the Yahoo boys. Yahoo.com came back. What is happening in Lagos? Hello? We're getting a girl like a fuck you. So you need to know what you do. Envious women. And all of them are demons. We have sleep. We have Capricorn. Yeah, Capricorn is the devil. So either they're going to bind it to a man who's already binded to a lot of women, or they're going to bind it to women. We're getting the Star card. We're getting industrial come for you. And that can also mean other people who wanted to be a celebrity. Yeah, they're going to come. They want to know what you know. They're going to friend you. You need to be careful. We have mental health, and some of these people are not righted. They're going to stalk you. Because remember, to be a celebrity, you have people who fall off. You have people who go mad. And them living regrets every day. We have a number 9. And we also have curse. So somebody could be an Aries, number April 9. It could be December 29, since that's a Capricorn. Or December 27. I don't know who it is. It's like somebody want you end your career for being them 3rd wife. Well, sir, you have 3 bitches to attend to. I would think that somebody could have keep them career while being a 3rd bitch. Because since there's 8 hours in the fucking day and 3 8 is fucking 24, and you want 3 wives, so minimum you're going to spend at least 8 hours with one. And you can't spend 8 hours with one because 3 8 is 24, and you don't have time to work, sleep, eat, change your car tire, go have a drink, or do normal things what emperors do. So now we're going to cut it by 4. We're going to say you have 4 hours to spend with each girl, so you can keep the other 12 hours for yourself. Whether you're fucking on her with multiple women, you have a job to attend to, you're sleeping, or you just want time for you for meditation purposes, right? So now you're going to spend 4 hours with each woman. Okay, the bitch already have 20 hours in the fucking day, so why she can't do what she wants to do with the 20 hours where you are not there, you are with other bitches? People don't make albums anymore. This is crazy. Single. One more. We have political agenda. Sir, that is real politics. For you for want 3 wives, that is politics. You see that the Canadian people do not react greatly to 3 political parties. You want 3 wives, give me a black bitch, give me a Asian bitch, and give me a white bitch. And if I put all these bitches in a blender, my smoothie gonna come out like caramel strawberry. What the fuck? But you can't satisfy. Once she can't satisfy you, you're gone off the deep edge. Cause me know people who satisfied with money. You have money and you're still not, she can't satisfy you. It no matter how much you get, you're not satisfied. Why you think my pussy gonna help you, sir? You have 2 pussy already and you're not satisfied. You're looking for a 3rd pussy. You're looking for a 3rd clit. Why you think my clit can offer you what the other 2 women did not? You say you can't satisfy with sex. That is not discipline. And I know you're the devil card 2 times. Discipline is not something you give a fuck about, but I do, especially for the safety and protection of my Canada Day is coming up. We have to protect the women's clit at all costs. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.